Hello my dear students, last class I explained different types of shallow foundations. Today let us discuss some examples on shallow foundations. Let us take this example first. A trapezoidal footing is to be produced to support two square columns of 30 cm and 50 cm sides respectively. Columns are 6 meters apart and the safe bearing capacity of soil is 400 kilonewton per meter square. The bigger column carries 5000 kilonewton and the smaller 3000 kilonewton. Design a suitable size of the footing so that it does not extend beyond the faces of the columns. Okay, it is given here. You have to design the trapezoidal footing. Okay, in the trapezoidal footing I have given some formulas how to find x bar, and then you have to find what is the size A and B. Okay, now this is a trapezoidal footing is given. This side is A and this is B. Okay, and here this is one column of it is a square column of size 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is 30 centimeter column, 30 by 30, and here this is 50 centimeter. This is 50 and this is also 50. Okay, yeah, this is 30 and this is 50. Okay, 50 centimeter square. Now columns are 6 meter apart, means the length between the two columns is 6 meter, that is L dash. Okay, now bigger column carries 5000. So now suppose this is the column 1 and this is column 2. Okay, here it is written, this is column 2. So the column 1 carries 5000 kilonewton and column 2 carries 3000 kilonewton load. Okay, now we have L dash, that is distance between the two columns. Now we have to calculate what is L1, that is center of the column 1 to the center of the column 2. Here this distance center to center of the column, that is what, here this is 6, so this is 0.15 because 30 divided by 2, that is 15 centimeter, but we are writing in terms of meter, so it is 0.15. And here this side total it is 50, so center of 50, that is 25, so 0.25. 0.25 plus 0.15, that is equal to 0.4. So L1 is equal to 6 plus 0.4, 6.4. Understood? This L dash is distance between the columns. L1 is distance between the center to center of the column. So this is 30 centimeter square column. This is 50 centimeter column. So half of 30 is 15.15. Half of 50 is 0.25. 0.15 plus 0.25, 0.4. So 6 plus 4, 0.4, 6.4. Now the total length, actual length is end to end, here this side to here. What is that? Till here this is 6, right? And plus 0.5 plus 0.3, 0.8. So 6 plus 0.8, 6.8. Understood, no? Here to here L dash, that is 6 meter. Now you have to consider full size of the square, that is 50 centimeter, so 0.5 meter. This is 30 centimeter, 0.3 meter. So 6 plus 0.3 plus 0.5, 6.8. Okay, so first you have to put the dimensions properly. Okay, now this is column 1 which carries a load of 5000 kilonewton. This is column 2 carries a load of 3000 kilonewton. Now let us calculate what is A plus B. How you can calculate? We have formula area is equal to A plus B divided by 2 into L, that is equal to P1 plus P2 divided by QS. Now, if you write in terms of A plus B, what happens? A plus B, that is equal to 2 into P1 plus P2 divided by QS divided by L. So that's why it is written like that. A plus B equal to 2 cross multiply divided by L. L is 6.8, right? Here L is 6.8, this L. So L is 6.8 into here, okay, 2 divided by L into P1 plus P2 divided by QS. P1 load carried by the column 1 5000 plus load carried by the column 2 3000 divided by QS, that is given QS. It is equal to bearing capacity of the soil, that is 400 kilonewton per meter square. So substitute here, you get A plus P equal to 5.882 meters. Okay, let it be the equation 1. Now we have formula X bar, that is equal to C1 divided by 2 plus P2 into L1 divided by P1 plus P2. This I have explained while explaining the concepts or theory of the trapezoidal footing. So I have given this formula. So substitute in this equation, X bar is equal to C1, size of C1, the column 1, that is equal to 50 centimeter, right? Okay, I have taken in the different way. This I have taken 30 and this I have taken 50. So you can consider that also, no problem. You will get the same answer. Okay, so here it is first consider the 50 centimeter column, that is half 0.5, okay, 0.5 meter divided by 2 plus P2 into L1 divided by P1 plus P2. So here this 0.5 divided by 2 is 0.25 plus P2, that is 3000, right? Here this is 3000 into L1. L1 is 6.4. L1 is 6.4. Okay, divided by 5000 plus 3000 equal to 2.65. Now, for trapezoidal footing, X bar is equal to L divided by 3 into 2A plus B divided by A plus B. Now, we have X bar value. So, 2A plus B divided by A plus B, that is equal to this. You have to consider cross multiply 3 into X bar is 2.65 divided by L. L is 6.8, right? This L is 6.8. So when you simplify this term, only this term, okay, you get 1.169. Okay, if you simplify this, you get 1.169. Now simplify this 2A plus B divided by A plus B, that is equal to 1.169. Okay, right? So how you can write? So this equation becomes now, suppose this, no, it becomes now 2A plus B, that divided by A plus B equal to 1.169. Okay, cross multiply this. So what happens? 2A plus B, that is equal to 1.169 A plus 1.169 B. Okay, so what you do? 2A minus, this is 2A minus 1.169 A, that is equal to, here what is this, 1.169 B minus B. Okay, so it becomes 0.169 B. Understood? Here, just simplify this. 2A minus 1.169A, that is equal to 1.169B minus B. So that is 0.169 and this is 0.831A. Okay, equal to this 0.169B. So write in terms of B. So B is equal to 0.831 divided by 0.169. Okay, so that is equal to this 4.917A. Okay, here B is equal to this A is there. So that is equal to B, you get 4.917A. Now substitute in this equation. What we have? A plus B is equal to, we have A plus B, that is equal to 5.882, right? So we know what is B now. Let A like that only. A plus B is equal to now 4.917A. So that is equal to 5.882. So now only one unknown, you can calculate, correct? 1 plus 4.917, that is 5.917A, correct? Here this is 5.917A equal to 5.882. So A is equal to 5.882 divided by 5.917. Okay, so you will get 0.994. That is A. So once if you get A, you can substitute in this equation. A plus B is equal to 5.882. So you get B is equal to 4.889 meter. So the footing size or trapezoidal footing size of A is equal to, you can round it to 1 meter. So A is equal to 1 meter and B is equal to 4.9 meter and L is equal to 6.4 meter. So like this you can design a trapezoidal footing. Design means just you have to find what is A, what is B and what is L. I hope all of you understood. Mainly you remember this formula and then you know how to calculate X bar. Once if you have X bar, you have formula for trapezoidal. This formula you have to use and then calculate what is A plus A and B and also L. Okay, see here what you do in this problem. No, here I have taken 30, so just take it as 50 here. Okay, just make it, this is 50. Okay, same thing, this is 50 and this you take it as 30. Okay, then it becomes properly. So anyhow this there is no changes in this, only the I have changed, this is 50 centimeter and this is 30 centimeter. Okay, this is 50 and this is 30 centimeter. Because I have used here this is X bar, C1 is equal to 0.5, that is 50 centimeter. So that's why I changed 30 to 50 here and here 50 to 30. Okay, thank you.